Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Whether you have an online store in platforms like Shopify or an offline store, you are doing the business to increase sales and make profit. Today we are going to discuss two marketing strategies that's going to do just that for you: upsells and order bumps. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So what are order bumps and upsells? Let's break it down. Order bumps are those temptation displays that you see at a checkout aisle of a physical store. They are strategically placed offers that encourages customers to add complimentary products to their cart during the checkout process. Online sellers usually present their customers with order bumps in the checkout page, encourage add-ons and impulse buy, and these products are usually complimentary to the products that are already in the cart. In short, order bumps are pre-checkout offers and usually they are low cost that does not require a lot of thinking from the customer's end. On the other hand, upsell is pursuing the customer to add a higher priced product into the cart, which is usually an upgraded version of a product that they are already interested in. Upsells are designed to increase the average order value by enticing the customers with offers that are irresistible and valuable for them. Before deciding which strategy is the right fit for you, there are certain factors that you should consider. When deciding between order bumps and upsell, consider your goals, profit margin, and customer behavior. While order bumps can boost average order value with minimum effort, upsell offer the potential for higher profits but may require more finesse in execution. Understanding the psychology of your customer is key. The customer appreciates convenience and personalized experience, which both upsell and order bump can provide. With ADG, integrating order bumps and upsells into your Shopify store is easier than you might think. With our app, you can seamlessly implement these strategies without any coding knowledge. Are you ready to take your sales to the next level? Contact ADG today and maximize your revenue through upsells and order bumps. We really hope you found today's video useful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy selling!